Good morning, YouTube. Happy Halloween. Today we're going to be installing the Tomei titanium mid-pipe on the RX7. I currently have the Tomei Ti catback on it now. Let's check it out. And I have a pretty rare SMB mid-pipe. It's hard to see, but it's catted and has a submuffler on it, so it's pretty restrictive. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, unbox it, and see what we got. Comes with some goodies: license plate, frame, instructions, stickers. Got all the necessary hardware, gaskets.
More gaskets.
Start putting it on. I'm gonna take off the SMB mid pipe. So pretty much here it is, kind of snug. I still have to torque everything down, but it's a beautiful fit. I mean, what a beautiful piece. Not to mention lightweight, way lighter than the one I was on there, and you know, comparing it to the stock cat, I mean, pretty sure it drops about, it's on the website, maybe like 20 pounds, 15, 20 pounds in weight savings. But I'm gonna go ahead and snug it down and do a little sound clip after this. That's about it for the install. Sounds good. Install went great. Sounds like a true rotary now. I'm pretty happy with that. The mid pipe that was on it, I'll show you, came with the car. It's an SMB catted mid pipe. This company is in Australia. These are discontinued. They don't make these anymore. I'll probably be selling this here shortly. We don't have emissions here in Florida. So any of you rotary owners with emissions in your state and you still want a high flowing cat and a pass emissions, this is probably the ticket. Has all the provisions needed. So just put a comment in. If you're interested, I'll get you my info and go ahead and get this sold. But I'm gonna try to make more videos here. I've been pretty busy lately, working on this customer's Supra. His crank sensor went bad, so we're waiting on Toyota to get that in. But if you like this type of content, drop a like, subscribe. I'll be making more videos. Good night, YouTube.